Kung ano yung sasabihin ni Mama, okay? Okay. Where is Apple? Where is Apple? Asan ang apple? Turo mo yung apple. Banana. Where is banana? Where is the orange? Where's the orange? Where is the sky? Very good. Where is the elephant? Where's the elephant? Very good. Where is the dress? Where's the ice cream? Where is the horse? Where's the horse? Where is the flower? Where's the flower? Very good. Where's the fish? Fish. Where is the fish? No, that's not a fish. Yeah, very good. Where is the pineapple? Where is the pineapple? No, that is an apple. Where is the pineapple? Here, oh. Here. Very good. Oh, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Where is your feet? Where is your hands? Where is your tummy? Where's your tummy? Tummy. Your tummy. Very good. Where is your toes? Your toes. Very good. Where is your head? Where is your hair? Where is your lips? Where is your lips? Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Lips. Where is your tongue? Your teeth? Where is your ears? Your neck? Your eyes. Where is your eyes? Look at Mama. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Very good. Your nose. Your nose. Very good. What is your name? My name. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. My name is Althea Syra. Very good. Oh, say I love you. Flying kiss.